listen to the sound. The entire time we were in the room, we can hear this sound. And yeah, it really makes this special when at night we're sitting in the balcony and no internet, no smartphones, just staring at the dark woods and there's a sound of flowing river nearby.
The next day, we were to leave Bidyang. And before leaving, we had this plan to visit a waterfall near Reli River. It was a well known tourist spot. People go there. But what was more interesting was we went to another unnamed waterfall, which was in the mountain, and our cottage staff escorted us as we were told that we couldn't be allowed to go there by ourselves. We passed through thick vegetation and sleepy rocky edges. There was not even a trail as people don't go to that spot because of the dense path and a bit perilous location. Perilous as there's no proper path to walk, slippery rocks, and stream flowing just beside you with the risk of falling down. It was scary green all around, and so, as beautiful as it was, yet I couldn't film a lot of the hiking part due to the risk of slipping down and falling, but man, it was worth it. Definitely thanks to him for keeping my request. It was all unplanned, and as I came down, I stood here for a moment to appreciate what I just saw, the nature and my surrounding. On the way to Deolo Hills, we came across the Lord Buddha statue park. That reminded me of the several other Buddha parks I have visited. It is a quick stopover location. The only places we could visit that day was the Deolo Science Center and the very popular Deolo Park, and witness the uncalled majestic sunset. A sky so red. The following early morning, we went to a near viewpoint, which is a very calm place to just sit quietly and look as the sun rises over the mountains and bring the first touch of warmth over the Kalimpong city. I was awed to look at the thick blanket of clouds in the distance complementing the orange mountain peak showering in the sun. The surrounding felt so holy in that early morning when I heard a faded prayer coming somewhere from the surrounding mountain ranges in my sight and the city beneath. I was overwhelmed to see too many beautiful things of nature all at once. I am the very first person today to touch these flowers, the plants, and not even a bird or a single soul here that came before me. At least not that I know of. There's a monastery far away, and I'll go there and see if it's open. Upon reaching further, we saw a small hut. And there was a raised land just a little bit from that hut. It doesn't seem like people live here. Maybe they occasionally come. But I don't know. Maybe on top of that there would be a monastery. Let's go see what's up there. Upon reaching to that place, this place looks
more abandoned to me. But I think I'm gonna go up there and see what's up there.
We climbed there just to find it was another beautiful spot to just sit and graze at the mountains. Oh, actually, here's the way. Unfortunately, the monastery was closed and we had to return back to our hotel, but I was so happy. On the next video of my Kalimpong travel series, which is also going to be the last one, I'll be visiting Pedong and through Lolegaon back to home. See you guys on my next video.